Health objectives frequently have to do with how we eat. We must alter our eating habits if we want to reduce our belly fat. We have objectives for our relationships, jobs, finances, and health as well. They are outward manifestations of our inner aspirations or goals for our lives. We frequently put our goals in writing to help them become more real and to serve as a constant reminder to ourselves to keep working toward them. We frequently have fitness and dietary objectives when it comes to our health, such as reducing our weight, exercising frequently, eating more healthfully, or making better food decisions. It could take months to lose weight. While eating healthier and making better food choices are difficult to quantify, regular exercise could take years to achieve. Before achieving these objectives, we might become demoralized and give up. These health objectives can be divided into smaller, more manageable steps that can be measured and tracked weekly or monthly to help us stay on track and feel motivated. For example, we could establish a more modest objective to create a healthy eating routine, like choosing water over sweetened beverages during lunch. Here are 5 healthy eating practices that will unquestionably aid us in achieving our food objectives. These healthy eating practices will also aid those of us who have diabetes in maintaining blood sugar control. 1. Eat slowly and mindfully. Your brain doesn't signal that you are full for about 20 minutes. Eat gradually. Spend a little more time observing what and how much we are eating. Write down how frequently you will try to take at least a half hour to finish your meal to make this more measurable. 2. Eat fruit and vegetables. Make it a point to have fruit and vegetables on half of your plate at each meal. Fruits and vegetables are naturally high in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals but low in saturated and trans fats. 3. Choose water. Make it your mission to replace sugar-sweetened beverages with water. Write down how frequently you will make this decision, for example, 5 times per week, to make it more quantifiable. 4. Stick to 1 serving. Eating 1 serving will assist those of us who enjoy getting seconds in controlling our calorie intake. Set a goal for yourself to adhere to 1 serving in typical portion sizes. 5. Swap to whole grains. Consuming whole grain foods like rolled oats, wholemeal bread, and brown rice can lower your risk of developing diabetes and heart disease. Because they keep you feeling full for a longer period of time and decrease the need for snacking, they can also aid in weight management. Make your request for brown rice measurable by committing to doing so at least 3 times per week for lunch, for example. It takes time to develop these 5 healthy eating behaviors. Be tolerant. When we fail, we should persist rather than give up. No matter how small the changes are, they have a significant impact on our health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.